Trails of Life 109, and I'm just off the Transpennine Trail at the Dove Valley Trail. And today's plan, I'm going to go and ride around Birdwell Woods. I've never rode around there, but it should make an interesting ride. Let's go. Right, so the last episode, did I start there, or I rode through there and the drone followed me and whatnot. That were interesting, but today I'm going a little different. Not too different because I haven't got a lot of time, but the sun is absolutely beaming, so it would be rude not to. The plan is I'm going to make my way up to the village just up this road. And remember when I said in the last episode, I pointed at the field to the left of me and I was like, Josh, when you're editing the map, remember that way, go that way. Well, that is the plan. So I'm gonna go to the top of that field, ride through, see where it takes us and kind of route his way back round to a lovely little woodland that me and my missus walked through the other day. For the first time, I didn't even know everything. Not far from Woodlands Reservoir, which I go around quite a lot. But we just went on this really, really nice walk through woods and beside the river and all sorts. It was just gorgeous. And I thought, you know what? I'm bringing my bike here. And that was, what, 2 days ago, and I just can't wait any longer. So it's time to go. One thing I don't like about this helmet, I've got to take it off every 5 minutes because I've got holes in the top, so bugs keep landing on my fucking head and it's tickling me. So I'm gonna have to put some mesh or something inside because it's really, really not my jam. So it's definitely gonna be a short and sweet one today. It's not a particularly long route, maybe an hour max. But all being well, oh fuck me, sludge. Come on, man. All being well, it will be really sunny, really hot and very, very nice to look at. One thing I've started doing on my rides lately is listening to that kind of like ambient, mellow, chilly, lo-fi stuff that I put on all my episodes. Not the exact same ones, actually the ones by artists on Tidal or whatever it is I've got now. But yeah, so I can kind of get in the director's mind frame and like look at stuff at the same kind of pace as the music, and instead of just winging it. Oh, I don't know. Yep, looks like Gandalf's left his staff. Here's one. Why did Gandalf close his magic shop? Because he had no staff. I did say I was going to have a week off to rest myself, but apparently the sun is just too enticing and I can't stay away. So here we are. Now where am I? Ah! Right, so the bit of drone stuff that I filmed was in the woods there. I came through, turned right here. So the field is at the top of this hill. Right. Let's power on through. That was absolutely awful timing. I took my, oh God, I shit myself. I took my camera off to change the FPS up to 60 so I can get some nice slow-mo today, seeing as it's only a short ride. And this Mini has just drove past me a good 50 mile an hour and just missed me. I felt wind on my elbow, man. Absolutely shit my pants. Oh, so annoyed that I weren't filming either. Oh man, my heart. Oh. Right, we're at the field now. Let's cruise through and see what we can see. So I was trying to figure out where it were when I rode past the other day. So straight ahead is the big, is it Every or whatever it is? Big industrial unit at Birdwell roundabout. Again, if you're not from here, none of this really matters. But I was just trying to get my bearings anyway. Oh, bit too windy for a drone out here in the open, so I'll save it for the forest hopefully. Like I say, it's not going to be a particularly long ride. Maybe that's okay because the last episodes have both been 40 minutes, so we'll we'll meet down the middle. Yep, I'm all over this. Oh, there's a little pond there. That's new. Well, new for me. Looks like there's a bird hide as well. If you can see, with me wobbling all over the place. Whoa! Oh, I just I didn't even clock on that then. Oh, man. Looks like I'm bike up here. It's looking a bit thin. Masses of barbed wire. Oh my God, no. I just think back to that day in Wentworth, them cows to the side of me. I'm biking through there and I caught my arm on the wire and ended up nearly falling off. It weren't pleasant, put it that way. Please do not feed the horses as some foods that you think are safe are deadly. Oh, this barbed wire's deadly. Fuck me. Can't do it. Oh my God. Well, no wonder maps didn't like it. I'm not bothered though, I'm up for trying out as long as I don't get stuck. I have to go 10 miles out of way. Whoa, I'm so unsteady. Oh, nettles, get away, out. I mean, it's been a nice scenic little detour, but I don't think it was the wisest of paths. Do you? Wow, that'll do. Right, get me out of here. The lengths I will go to not get nettled are embarrassing. Help. Well, I'm in it. No? It's all new, this for me. It's all not on my heat map history, so this looks pretty good. Nice and wide, no nettles to be seen. Cool little stump. Oh dear. To be fair, this is seeming like, well, not the path I've just done, but this bit's, I've got a really good feeling about it. To get me over towards Tankersley, a lot better than the road that I've been taking recently, so yeah, not bad. It's a bit barren, isn't it? Bit of a wasteland, but not be long before we're in forest. All sorts to look at. Hopefully. I'm saying that, I've no idea. I only walked the most direct route when me and Jess did it, so like a straight line through everywhere. Whereas today I want to do a bit of a windy wind and see if there's any like nooks and crannies and nice little sections. There's pretty much no one rides there on the bike, so if I can find it and get a good little circle around there, it might be nice for in future. I mean, straightforward does look nicer, but wrong direction, so. Just gonna get past all this crap road because I do not like it. It just distracts me. I'm focusing too much on not getting run over. I can't really string a sentence together. So yeah, BRB and all that. I don't actually know where I'm going. I know I'm near the big roundabout now, but what have I even planned here? I go over this way, I'm making a tit of myself. Nope, there's someone watching. Funny. Please don't laugh at me. I'm just not good enough yet, okay? Right, all this is proper new. Nice. Do you think Ice Cream Man have turf wars? And like proper get into some serious battles about who gets to go where outside which school at what time on what day and out what weather it is? I bet that's right funny. Mr. Whippy versus Ash's Ices. I'm just trying to entertain myself now. Kind of just enjoying the sun and the nice ambient music. I just know that the Woodlands just coming up soon. And I can't wait. Hey, there's a new update coming to the Bocsh motors. So I've maxed mine out at 80 Newton meters, and I never really use turbo. I think when I'm in auto, it mixes between 20 and 60 or whatever it does. The update's taking it to 120. There's just no need. I proper don't get it. This seems super overkill. We down here? This looks right nice. Potter's Holes Plantation, local nature reserve. Nuthatch, buzzard, blackcap. Wow. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take this steady because this is just too nice not to soak it in. Oh, it goes on and on. Wow. It's just gorgeous. This is just, I don't know. Didn't even know it were a thing. But I'm glad I've come through now. Huh. There we go. This is some of the nicest woodland I've ever rode through. And it's like 15 minutes from my house. I've never even heard of it. Madness. That takes you to the exit, which I'm not going to, so I need to turn right here. Bit of a beaten path, but this is grand. I'd be walking around here every day if I lived here. Whoa. It's not the easiest to ride on. I wish I'd gone a little bit further right. Those paths were much wider. That's better. Hey. Whoa. Hope you guys are finding this as peaceful as I am. Maybe it'll be an episode where I'm not chatting all the way through for once. Hey buddy, okay? That was not what I expected, but I'm very, very glad I went through with it. That was great. Timberland Trail, there you go. Never heard of it. In that other episode, I looked up, I cut it out actually, but came down that hill and I remember saying, oh, I wonder where that goes. There we go. So this is the last bit of road and it takes us to the top of the hill. And then we get to do all the downhilly bits and end up at Birdwell Wood, which I'm hoping it's going to be as nice as I think it is. I mean, I only saw a little bit from the side and what I saw was nice, but I do know for a fact the very first bit that I'm going to do is a very long, steady, downhill foresty bit, and I didn't enjoy walking up because it was sweaty and it was steep, but riding down should be fun, hopefully. Yeah, let's do it. Bless. Right, chunky hill. So we're starting somewhere over there. Whoa, man. This is not the warmest thing I've ever rode down. Bloody hell. In fact, did I ride up this the other day? Alright, the pub that I went to the other day, the Cock Inn, is just there. So it's just to the side. Motorway's to his left. Let's go, all downhill. Well, mostly. Ow. Ooh, I've just scratched my arm. Lad, yeah. Let's go. Try not to fall off. My mum might have jinxed me. I won't phone to her earlier. She's like, oh, on Woods and you send, be careful. I'll be right, ma'am. And look at this, this is just absolutely perfect. It felt like it took forever to walk up. Oh, nice. I mean, there's nothing really, there's no jumps or out, it's just nice riding. Windy and trees and all sorts of cool stuff. Man, so nice. If this drone does this in one shot, one take, I'm going to be absolutely buzzing it. It's doing well. I'll even treat him to a new pair of wings. Oh. Mind, I don't want any new wings. What are you doing?
Aircraft landing automatically.
Collision detected, you nearly blew your motors. So close, little dude. Oh dear. Ow, I can't get back on. Bloody hell, good luck with this. There's no way that's still following me. Yep. So the woods are just to his left there, but the map that I've drawn takes us on a slightly longer left. Left, we're going right, for God's sake. The route that we're on takes us a slightly wider path, just so we've got a bit more to ride around. It might not be accessible, but we'll see what we can do. Oh dear. Bit of a chunky hill this. It looks grand. See what there is to see, eh? Yeah, we know it might be horrible. That looks like a better path. No, stick to what I'm doing. Nice. Whole lot of this, please. Hell man, this is great. Trying to follow the map at the same time as actually looking at things. I've got a route, like a figure 8 that I want to do. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I've splashed my scent all over. Sick. Whoa. Oh, bloody hell, shit myself. Pheasant, partridge, pheasant, pheasant. Lady pheasant. Something squeaking at the back of my bike. I don't know what it is, but it's not happy. What is rattling? That's fucking... Of course it's my stand. What else would it be? Fucking stupid thing. No, I'm not getting it. No, I'm not taking it off. It's useful in its moment. Not a good time to have a big fat itch on my nose. Nice. Oh, Christ. Good luck, drone. There's no way. This drone is unstoppable. Apart from the times it's very much been stopped, but you know what I mean. Whoa. I've ordered a polarizing lens for it, so I can make that even better. And then there we go, we'll be ultra polarized. And I will get my polarized sunglasses ordered. And then I'll rebrand my channel to Trails of Polarized. And we'll go rides only in the polar north. I don't know what I'm talking about. I think I just really want an ice cream. Sick. Definitely gonna lose it here. Oh, come on. Can't get over that, I'll break my neck. You know what? I should at least try. Dick. So mangy. Oh shit. Okay. No. No, no, no. Oh, if I'd have got a proper start then I might have been able to do that. Oh, got in. I weren't ready for it. Down's probably pretty fun. Oh, that was sweaty work. So not far down here, we'll be back at the where I started. There's still a bit more, but that's where I saw the sign for Birdwell Woods. Oh, what a nice place to ride around though. Man, really pretty. Yes. Wow, it's just one thing after another. Oh, squirrel or khaki pants. There we go. Oh man. There it is. Welcome to Birdland Wood. Welcome to Birdland Wood. Welcome to Birdwell Wood. This is pretty much his last section. It was beside the road. It was fairly straightforward, I think, if I remember right. Probably wrong knowing me. There is a bit that I know I can't ride over. It were too, you know, hard enough to walk. Never mind ride. So I'm not going to go through there. But yeah, we are pretty much near the end now. Definitely worth a visit, I reckon. Wow. So down there is where I came. I'm not going that way, what's that? So I'm gonna go off course. That's where I put that in my map, but that's basically where I can't ride. It was too much. So I'm gonna see how I get from here back to road, and then I'm done. Whoa, shit. And look at this, dude, it's so pretty. That's where I get stuck into it. Oh. Yeah, I really much enjoyed this ride, so if you have, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you want to carry on watching or whatever, please click that button. Every day I'm getting a bit closer to the 500 mark, which is awesome. Yeah, it means a lot. So yeah, do it. Or don't do it, it's completely up to you, but if it's no bother to you, would be much appreciated. Oh, that's it. Yeah, good ride was good. Yep. Oh my god, sludgy ass shit. Oh no! No! Oh no! I'm kicked. Why didn't I go round? Balls. What a finish line reward. Bloody hell. Well, looking for an excuse to clean my bike. Said nobody ever. There we are. Oh. This heads back towards Woodlands Res. Ride done. That'll be a nice little strafing shot to reward you if you want to see it. It's definitely a nice view. Here we are. Yeah. Sick. Might as well go across because that's back to TBT. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. Really enjoyed this one. It's been a bit difficult, but the heat is proper sweaty. It's gonna be 22 degrees tomorrow. What a missed day here so far. That's awesome to look forward to. Yeah. Thank you all for watching this far, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Take care everybody. Bye.